The storm blinded everyone except him. In 1881, a violent winter storm struck the coast of Maine. A passenger ship lost visibility and drifted toward the rocks. Lighthouse keeper Thomas Avery refused to abandon his post. He climbed the icy tower in gale-force winds, lit the lamp, and signaled with flags despite frostbite threatening his hands. The ship's captain saw the light at the last moment, steering the vessel to safety. Hundreds of passengers survived. Thomas was hospitalized for frostbite, but recovered. His quiet heroism went mostly unrecognized, yet he had saved countless lives. Sometimes survival isn't about escaping danger. It's about standing firm when everyone else is lost in the storm.
This is Fact and Fear.